Number 8. The Amazon Basics Replacement. Water filters offer an effective and affordable solution for maintaining clean and safe drinking water. Constructed from durable plastic, these filters are designed to deliver reliable performance and peace of mind. With product dimensions of 2.36 inches in diameter, 2.36 inches in width, and 4.72 inches in height, these filters are compact and easily fit into a variety of water filtration systems. Additionally, their light item weight of 1.41 pounds ensures that handling and replacing the filters is a straightforward task. One of the most noteworthy features of the Amazon Basics Replacement water filters is their external testing certification. These filters have been rigorously tested and certified by renowned organizations such as WQA, ANSI, and NSF, underscoring their quality and ability to remove harmful contaminants from water. Overall, Amazon Basics. Replacement water filters are a dependable choice for anyone seeking to maintain